CBT is the gold standard treatment for hoarding disorder, but research suggests that CBT is only effective for less than half of individuals. So how do we improve those numbers? One way is to include an interpersonal component. Interpersonal factors are a major component of the psychopathology of hoarding disorder. One of the earliest theories of hoarding suggests that people develop these strong connections with objects to replace a lack of connection with other people. The dominant cognitive behavioral model of hoarding also recognizes the role of dysfunctional attachments with people in the etiology and maintenance of hoarding symptoms. More recent empirical evidence has also found that hoarding disorder is associated with reduced social functioning, including increased loneliness and reduced social support. My research is aimed at understanding the cognitive and emotional factors that underlie these interpersonal difficulties, in particular looking at the role of empathy. To relate and connect with others, we require the ability to empathize with them. And empathy consists of two major components. One, being the ability to feel what another person feels, which is emotional empathy. And two, being the ability to understand other people's emotions and perspectives, being cognitive empathy. Dysregulated empathy has been implicated to explain the social issues for other disorders, including autism spectrum disorder, psychopathy, and depression. So we hypothesize that it might be involved in hoarding disorder as well. So far, our results have found that greater hoarding symptoms are associated with increased emotional empathy, so feeling more of what another person feels, as well as reduced cognitive empathy, so understanding those emotions less. Of course, these findings need to be replicated in a clinical population, but they do suggest that empathy could be a target to improve the interpersonal difficulties and overall efficacy of treatment for hoarding disorder. To explore this idea, I'm currently running an intervention on changing empathy in hoarding disorder. This pilot study is a 12-week group program aimed at improving cognitive empathy through social cognition interaction training, which, if results are promising, can be considered as an adjunct intervention to CBT.